What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to transform a normal video into a green screen video in Canva PC. So the first thing that you need to do is to add your video to the blank. We're gonna scale it to match our resolution for our video. Then what you want to do is to select it and use the background remover function. After you remove the background for the initial video, what you want to do is to drag it a little bit. Then you're gonna select the background and you're gonna change the color to green. We're gonna change the shade of the green that we're using. Then we're gonna put the video in the center. And as you can see now, we just transformed the initial video to a green screen one. And the next step is only to click on share and to download the video. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.